Hello YouTube, this is Drew coming back with another dashcam drive through another town in South Carolina today. Today we are visiting the town of Chapin, South Carolina. I believe Chapin, South Carolina is going to be our next victim of sprawl in the Columbia area. But the Chapinites are nice people, at least I assume they are. I didn't actually get out, and as you'll see from this dashcam drive-through, I really did just drive through, kind of bypassed the town, but we were there. It's less than 2,000 people in it, and I was going off of the interstate to 76, Highway 76, so I could just get some towns on my way to Helen, Georgia. I went to Helen, Georgia, and hopefully we'll have a YouTube video going off of that, or about that soon. And by the way, Chapin is in Lexington County. But anyway, it's on Lake, I believe it's Lake Murray. Let's see. Yes, Lake Murray. And it's in Lexington County. But not tell me this. Let me ask you, how can a town with less than 2,000 people in it have a 5A school? That should tell you all you need to know what I mean about sprawl. It's probably already got to the town, but if it hasn't, it's closing in. It's all around it, in the school zone at least. 5A in South Carolina denotes the biggest schools. So, that's all you need to know. Much like Lexington and some other towns, no welcome sign at all. Maybe it's a Lexington County thing, I don't know. So we just kind of had to guess, I guess, where I saw the snowflake up on the pole, light pole, that, hey, I'm probably in town limits because they have Christmas decorations up. See, there's one on the right there. And leaving, I just cut it off. The speed limit changed back to 55 miles an hour because more likely than not, a municipality is not going to have a speed limit that high. Here we are entering into the busy part, but like I said, we're just across these railroad tracks. I'm not going into the town, just driving through it, getting on the 76 here. So straight ahead, you could probably find the downtown portion, but we're turning right. We'll see a little bit of the business area of town, though. There's still a Lowe's Food and a Walgreens, and I'm a little surprised to see a Lowe's Food up here because I just don't see them very much outside of like the Grand Strand area, so I was surprised to see that. Not a major shock, slight shock, I guess. But anyway, really, that was the brunt of Chapin that you'll see in this video. Got a couple little like smaller businesses that we're getting ready to pass through. Not sure if they're in town limits or not. The snowflake stop, there's not really a sidewalk. Those are two telltale signs, but the speed limit hadn't changed yet, so I just kind of guessed. These towns really need to get on the ball about getting some signs up, though. I mean, I used Apple Maps to go this way, so it's a major thoroughfare through town, so they really need to do that. But anyway, guys, that was Chapin, South Carolina.